Da-da-da-da. Channel 7 News at 6. I am Amanda Aubin. Let's go right into headlines. First, let's talk about the devastating natural disaster, Hurricane Andrew. The hurricane started 11 days ago on August 16, 1992. It has occurred in northern western Bahamas, southern Florida, and south central Louisiana. Here's some information on Hurricane Andrew. 26 have died in this disaster, while 250,000 are now homeless. Hurricane Andrew cost the U.S. over $43.672 billion in damages, making this hurricane the second most costly hurricane in U.S. history. They were recorded winds in the Bahamas over 120 miles per hour, but in Florida, records show winds of over 140 miles per hour. We will now switch over to Amanda Poker in Miami, Florida, to figure out more about this disaster.
Thank you, Amanda. We have been here in Miami, Florida. It has been pouring rain, so I rushed inside to the school for our backup cameras so they won't get wet. People here have been out of power for many days and maybe months before they can get it back. Already, 25,524 homes have been destroyed, and 2,400 have been damaged. Meteorologists have said it was a Category 4 in the Bahamas and is now a Category 3 in Louisiana, which has affected the wetlands very much. Oh no, our camera's dying. Gotta go. Bye.
Well, that is all for today, and see you tomorrow on Channel 7 News at 6.